Last question we got today is I can't stop. I really don't know what's wrong with me. In a relationship, I let my trust issues get to me and I end up acting on them and cheating. I'm depressed all the time and hate myself. My friends told me that I shouldn't get into a relationship again until I figure out how to be okay with being alone and loving myself, but I do not know how to do that or start. I know what I did was bad and I feel horrible about it and I don't want to do it again. I just don't know what to do. So, when I hear questions like this, what I want you to do, if anybody is struggling with their past, I want you to hear me and I want you to listen and leave your past behind. You cannot change your past, so you just need to drop it and walk away. You need to leave your past behind you. Because what good is it looking back on your past if you are not going to fix it? It's only going to make you feel worse. You are only going, again, with these questions, you are letting negativity win. What is in your past is in your past and you cannot change it. You can change who you are right now, but it will not happen if you keep going back to the past. If you keep on going to the past, if you keep on dwelling on all the things that you did wrong, you are going to let negativity, you are going to let misery win, and you're going to let the world stomp you out to a point where you think that you're worthless. I don't want to hear anybody say that they hate themselves. That hurts me inside, because nobody should hate themselves. Again, everybody is born with something special inside them. And when somebody says that they hate themselves, they've allowed the world to crush them so badly that they can't even see their own true purpose. And that hurts me to say it. That really affects me. Because the world needs you. The world needs to hear your voice. The world needs to hear your spirit. You got a fire in you. You got all the potential in the world. And you've let the world stomp you out. You've let the world completely break you down. And I hate hearing people say that they hate themselves. You have to be able to realize you're special, your potential. You can move mountains. You can be the top person in any sort of craft that you want to be. But you have to be able to get to a point where you are okay with being yourself. You are okay with your flaws. I want you to stop saying that you hate yourself. I want you to get to a point where you are comfortable in your own skin. I want you to understand that you're powerful. I hate hearing questions like, I hate myself. I hate it. I hate hearing it. You got to be able to be comfortable with yourself. And I keep repeating it because people need to hear this. People need to consistently hear it. So I'm sorry if I'm being repetitive, but people need to be told this because they are hurting. You got to be able to love yourself, your flaws, your mistakes. Stop saying that you hate yourself. You're beautiful inside. You have power within you. You have power to change your life. You are never going to change the past. You can wake up every single day and tell yourself that you are a winner. Stop telling yourself you're a loser. Stop telling yourself that you can't do it. Stop telling yourself that you're not good enough. Stop telling yourself that you hate yourself. And tell yourself, wake up every single day and tell yourself that you can do it. You're a winner. I can do this today. I'm good enough today. I'm good enough. I have power today. Please do that. Please. You're not getting anywhere in life if you consistently let the world crush you. You're never going to get anywhere. You got to be able to love yourself. And this is a process. Self-love is a process that's going to take years. It's going to take months. It's not going to happen overnight. It's not going to take a day, because you have years of scars on you of what the world has done to you. I want you to be able to slowly heal those scars. And some of them won't go away, but you're going to be able to live with them. Uncover all the ugly things that you think that you have, all those horrible stories, I want you to unbox them, and I want you to look at them for what they are, and I want you to move on. I want you to get to a point where you love yourself. Stop telling yourself that you can't do it. Like, you got power. Like, you got legit power, but you're just not tapping into it. You have to it's just that you have to be able to okay, here's the thing. You need to stop being a consumer and be a creator as well. So many times we get accustomed to following people on social media that live a lifestyle that is mostly fake. And now we feel bad about ourselves because when we step into our reality, we don't have any of that. And that contributes to self-hatred. It slowly builds up where you think, I'm not good enough. Why don't I have that? That guy's the same age as me. Why don't I have that? If you keep thinking about stuff like that, things like that, it's going to slowly snowball. Slowly going to snowball. And then it's going to get to a point where now you have self-hatred. I don't want anybody to get to that point. So you need to delete social media off your phone. You might even need to get a track phone. You might need to delete all of your apps on your phone, just your messenger, and just see life for what it is. But you have to be able to love yourself. Stop telling yourself that you can't do it. Whatever happened in your past, that happened. I'm not even going to get to that. I want to focus on the point where you said that you hate yourself. Them 2 words, I need to talk to you just off of hearing stuff like that. So if I can help you, please reach out to me. That's it for this question. I want everybody to know that they are special. They have talent. You just let negativity win. Stop telling yourself that you can't do it. I love y'all. I hope you guys have a good week. And that's it. But I just want everybody to get to a point where they can love themselves. Stop telling yourself that you can't do it. And just go out there and do it. I love y'all. I hope you guys had a good week. I hope you guys can have a good week going forward. Remember that the only thing that you can change about the world is yourself. And as a collective, if we can do that, we can change the world together. I love y'all and have a good day.